Hi beauties! For today I'm going to use these 4 products by Benefit Cosmetics, and 2 of them are gifted from Benefit themselves. These 2, the Precisely My Brow Pencil and the Porefessional Pearl Primer. I'm going to show you how to do the base makeup before all the rest, and it's going to be a brow tutorial, so stay tuned and let's get started. I already prepped my skin, so that means I did my moisturizer and oil and everything that I need. I received the Porefessional by Benefit as a gift from Benefit to try it. This is the Pearl Primer. I already tested out a couple of times, so I can form my opinion about it, and I like this one better than the original Porefessional. And a small amount goes a long way, but you need to press that into your skin, into your pores, and it gives not that flat matte finish. It has more of a satin sheen, and although I can see my pores like this, but they are minimalized, so it's more like a veil on your skin who prevent your makeup from crawling into your pores. So that was that. Then I purchased myself the Hello Happy the smiley face, I love that one. I bought the number 3, and this is the medium coverage liquid foundation with SPF 15 in it. That's something. 15 isn't that much for your skin, so every morning I use a sunscreen from 30 SPF. If it's not more than that, but 30 is fine. Oop, 1 pump. And I'm going to fan that out. It has a yellow undertone. Okay, you see what I'm doing. There's more on this side than the other side. We do another pump, and so on the forehead, go on top of it with my fingers just to melt that foundation into my skin for a more natural finish. Okay, remember, don't tap your mouth while speaking. That was it for the foundation. Then for the concealer, I'm using the Maybelline eraser, and I erased everything on the sticker as well, so I don't know what's standing there, but and I'm just dabbing that on. Nothing too crazy, just be gentle. You can always go in with some more, but how more product you place in those inner corners, the more it's going to crease. Then I'm also going to do the sides of my nose, because I always have some redness going on around my nose. And just blend that in very carefully. Okay, and this is a concealer who is in line with the foundation, so it's not brighter. It's more of the same color tone. Sometimes we want some brightness under the eye, just a little bit lighter, nothing too much, and just use a little dot over here and here on the outer corners as well and lifting that a little bit upwards, like this. And a little bit over here. I'm using the Jouer concealer, the high coverage liquid concealer, and we're just going to dab that. Dab. It is full coverage, so that's also the reason why I don't use that much of it. And I'm taking this up, but with the lightest motion. And I am taking it here in the inner part of the eye, just to brighten that up as well. Then I'm going in with a powder brush and set my under eye, sides of my nose. Okay, and I'm not doing the forehead yet because we're going to do the brows. Benefit was so kind to send me the Precisley My brow pencil as a gift. This is the pencil. It's like a arrow. I like the packaging of it. And they sent me the color 2.75 warm auburn. And I know why they did that. Because I always use a color tint like that. Only I wanted to use this one much sooner. But I always use a pomade to fill in my brows because I don't have a brow. You can see that. So I tried it with only the pencil, but for me that's a no-go. So I'm brushing up the hairs like that. Okay, then I'm going to outline my brow. And what I find with this pencil, it's very creamy and it doesn't need any pressure to go on your skin. For me, that's a big plus. So because I don't have a brow, I am doing the whole perimeter underneath, and I'm just starting here, making my arch and go down. This part I won't draw on it because it's not that natural. Not that my brows are any natural, but I have to make do. Oh yeah, and I am very bad with drawing my eyebrows. More of the same shape, but that doesn't matter. You know, they're sisters, cousins, but they're not twins. Do you see if I am raising my eyebrows that there is a socket over here? That is my natural brow shape. So I can map out how my natural brow is. And there is a little difference in the shape of them. So this pencil is very creamy. It has a nice thin point. The bristle on the back is really great. And yeah, I'm happy with this pencil. I actually, if it's done, I'm going to buy it again. Then, because I said I didn't have the pomade of Benefit, so the Brow, I bought it from the website from Douglas, and so I had to wait for it to come in and to use the pencil and everything. Normally I am using the Anastasia Beverly Hills in Auburn. So I had to guess which color I needed. And I went for 3.5 because it seemed to me on internet, on the website, that it had a little bit of an auburn feel to it. The nicest thing is that if you pull you've got a little bristle, so little brush, I mean. Okay. Yeah, it's going smooth. The color isn't that great with the auburn pencil, so my guess was wrong. But I mean, pomade is very, the brow, the gel is very, very nice. You really can see how it flattens my own hair, so that's a plus as well. So I'm going on top of that pencil line because I don't like it to be that visible that the pencil line is so different color than the rest. So I'm just coloring in the front, but lighter than the rest. So I am buffing that out more towards the beginning. Yeah. But then we've got here a nice bold space. I'm just giving this a shadow effect on the skin with the gel. This little brush isn't going to do it for me to flick in hair-like strokes, so I'm going to use my own brush for that. It is actually by origin a eyeliner brush, but it's very thin and I really like that. So we're going to flick in some hairs. So, to be honest, I really like the brow. I like the color on me because it's more my hair color, I think. Okay, the hair strokes are going to be just fine. I really want them to be there, so. Okay, and then we've got the front part. So, something like that. So I'm going to do the other eye real quick and I'll be right back. Both brows. I am very pleased with myself today because I don't need to clean up anything. So yay for me. Yeah. Okay, what can I say about the products? The brow, I really like it. It is a great eyebrow gel and it works very easily. The eyebrow pencil is a product that I will use again because they are buttery, they glide on, you don't have the feeling that you're like scratching your face or anything, nothing like that. So I really love this one. I really want to repurchase it if it's going to be out, if it's done. So thank you Benefit for this one, for the gifts. And the Porefessional, I didn't tell you how I like it, so I'm going to look. Yeah, okay. I have to say a lot of pores are straightened out, it's flat, but here I've got very big pores and I didn't put it in that good or great, I think. So I just have to try that again, but I'm not mad at it. So because the pores over here are less, and you know you won't get it all away, but I like the product. It's a pearl primer, so we still got a little bit of a sheen. The finish of the foundation, it said it has a medium coverage liquid foundation, but oh yeah, it's a flawless brightening foundation. So that's what you can see. You've got that natural sheen on your face, and I don't have the feeling that I am wearing foundation. It's very light, it's soft, and yeah, it's velvety. I really like this. So these products has my okay stamp on it. And this was my new brow tutorial. I hope you liked it. And these are the basic products of Benefit that I used today and wanted to show you. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't already, please subscribe to my channel, because that will help my channel grow tremendously. And I hope to see you next time. Bye!